morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world mga paps. So this time we have a washer dryer at we need to repair because the resident says the water is not draining properly and the water is stuck inside the drum. So we will gonna check it mga paps. So at ayan na nga, i-open natin yung cover at ayan, yeah, it's full of water. So we will gonna do right now is to check. Of course we will gonna go to our knob, so we will gonna put the cycle into drain. Yan mga paps, if you can see, we will gonna put it to drain mga paps, just to make it sure that it's draining or not. So yan, after we will gonna take out the front cover. So yan ang mga paps, the motor is running and the fan belt is like new or no problem, all good. So we will gonna check this hose, that inlet hose, at yan na nga, we need to vacuum all the water inside the drum before we take out the hose, just to make it sure no blocking or no small particle that blocking inside the hose. So yan mga paps, at water is empty, so we will gonna take out those two hose. Yan mga paps, we need to take out the clamp, that inlet and outlet. So the inlet is the one that in the left, that one is the coming from the drum. So we need to vacuum yan. Papa is vacuuming that inside the hose, just to make it sure no more water or empty water, just to make it sure no mess happen on our floor and no flooding. Ayan, we're gonna put it up, and the next is we will gonna vacuum the one, the outlet. That outlet is going to the sewer. So inlet goes inside to the motor pump, then motor pump will push the water going to the sewer line. Yan mga paps, already taking out. But before that mga paps, I already decide to replace that drain pump. If you can see, I have two drain pump because I smell something burn when it's running. So yan mga paps, already replaced the other one, and this is our replacement. Ayan, so before anything else mga paps, before you touch the electrical, the motor pump, you need to turn off the breaker, and I did already. So it's just like our safety. So we need to turn off the breaker before you touch the electrical mga paps, for our safety. We need to do or make habit mga paps. So ayan, at I'm tightening the two screw, just only two screw attaching to the machine. So at yan, and that one is the old one, just to make it sure if it's identical mga paps. Ayan. So after that, I will install first the hose, the one that the outlet, and clamp it also, and the other one is the inlet. The inlet is the one coming from inside the drum. So usually mga paps, there's some blocking. Oh, there's still water, so we need to vacuum it mga paps. Ayan, there's still a water, is little by little water is dropping because it's not 100% vacuum a while ago. Ayan, we need to vacuum it again. Ayan, there's still water. Ayan, then install the inlet and clamp it mga paps. Then we will gonna test after. You know mga paps, sometimes the cause of that not draining, sometimes that hose had a blocking, sometimes socks or underwear that goes inside that blocking and goes to inside the drain pump. Usually it's happened, but this one I check it out and it's clean, so I decided to replace mga paps. So ayan, at I'll gonna turn on the breaker and then start to run. Ayan mga paps, you can see it's running. So we're gonna put some water. Oh mga paps, still in the dryer or rinse cycle mga paps. That's why it's too fast, if you can see. the cycle is still in the rinse. So that cycle is rinsing. That's why ito pa. So yan mga paps. So ayan, we're gonna put into the medium. So I already start to run. So I will gonna start to run that machine mga paps. So yeah, so we start our water filling mga paps. Then after that we're gonna put into the normal cycle. So it's in normal cycle right now. Ayan. You can see small or little dance. Ayan. You can see it's turning. Ayan. So it's in the cycle of rinse cycle mga paps again. Ayan. Just to make it sure. So after I am putting water or filling water, so I'll go directly to the rinse cycle. Ayan. And you're gonna see if it's draining mga paps. Ayan, no smell something burn. Ayan mga paps. So ayan. At makikita nyo, it's already dry or no more water. Ayan. Already dry or rinse already. Napiga na siya. So that one, mga paps, is ready to dry. And the top is a dryer. Ayan mga paps.
A few inches later.
Dryer. And now we will gonna put a new load. So second test mga paps. Lagay tayo ng panibagong damit. At position na natin yung ating knob. So yan mga paps. There's another load, and now we'll start filling water. At ayan mga paps, medyo umiikot-ikot na siya. Ayan, start running the machine mga paps. At ayan, sana mag-success itong ating drain pump replacement mga paps. At ito, medyo i-pass forward natin yan mga paps. At yan na nga, natapos na yung another cycle. So this is the second test mga paps. So yun, at success itong ating drain pump replacement mga paps. So ito yung old one natin pinagpalitan. Kaya ayan, ready for dryer na mga paps. Success na naman yung ating trabaho mga paps. Kaya ayan, at sana some one of you guys get an idea how to fix the washer that not draining. So the cause is this drain pump mga paps. It's not working. Sometimes it's not only the drain pump. Sometimes the hose, something is blocking inside, like the socks or underwear. It's already happened before in my experience. So this time I replaced that drain pump. At ito yun mga paps. So yan, hanggang dito na ng ating video. So sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan, so please subscribe to my channel, Apa and Papa's Vlog, and please click the notification bell para updated pa kayo sa mga i-upload ko pang video. So yan, hanggang dito na lang, and thank you very much for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.